10th Standard Social Science History Chapter 4 Opposition to British Rule in Karnataka and Wadiyas of Mysore. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers. The first Anglo Mysore War took place between dash and dash Hyder Ali and British. The second Anglo Mysore War ended with dash treaty Mangalore. Rajavadiyar made dash as his capital Srirangapatna. Kittur Rani Channamma adopted a boy named Shivalingappa. Rayana of Kittur state belonged to dash village Sangoldi. Surapura is in the present district of Yadgir. The Bedas of dash village of Bagalkote district rebelled against the British Halagali. The Amarasulya rebellion was basically a dash rebellion, farmers' rebellion. Discuss in groups and answer later. What are the achievements of Chikkadevaraja Vadiyar? He was an efficient soldier and administrator. He checked the invasion of Shivaji. He captured Magdi, Madugiri, Kotagere. He purchased Bangalore. Karnataka Kavi Chakravarti, Apratima Veera, Tenkana Raja, and Navkoti Narayana were his titles. He started the Council of Ministers or Atara Kacheri. The postal system. A dam was constructed across river Kaveri. Chikkadevaraja Nala and Doddadevaraja Nala or canal were started by him. He had patronized Tirumala Raya and Sanchi Honnamma. How did Hyder Ali come to power? He gained prominence in the scenario of uncertainty. He became popular in using arms and experiments. He undertook the invasion of the forces. He suppressed the Dalwais. He imprisoned Krishnaraj Vadiyar II. He became famous as Nawab Hyder Ali. What were the effects of Second Anglo-Mysore War? Tipu Sultan decided to protect Mangalore and the coastal regions. He defeated the British, the Treaty of Mangalore. What were the conditions of Srirangapatnam Treaty? Tipu was forced to part with half of his kingdom. He was forced to pay 3 crore rupees. He had to pledge two of his sons as a guarantee against the payment. He was also forced to release the prisoners of war. The British withdrew the combined army from Srirangapatna. The Fourth Anglo-Mysore War strengthened the position of the British in Mysore. Discuss. Tipu died while fighting the British. The British were happy, as if the whole India came under their rule. Most of the territories were shared among the British, the Marathas, and the Nizam of Hyderabad. A small territory was handed over to Mysore Wadiyars. What were the achievements of Krishna Raja Wadiyar? Fourth, gold mines, establishment of colleges, construction of Marikanivi Reservoir, railways, hospitals, hydroelectric project. Electricity was supplied to Kolar gold mines and to Bangalore, spreading education among his people. He abolished fees in all primary schools. He helped girls' education, University of Mysore, scholarship to students, the Indian Institute of Science, irrigation. Explain the method of resisting the British power by Dondiya Wagh. Dondiya Wagh built army and captured Bidanur Shivamogga forts. Unsuccessful attempt to capture Chitradurga. Wellesley tried to check the rebellion. British attack on Shivamogga, Honnali, Harihara. Capture of Shikaripura, Dondiya's flight to Gutti. Attack on Gutti by Nizam. Dondiya's flight to Maratha region. Continued his war in spite of defeat to Marathas. Encouraged by Palegas, French extended support. British army followed Dondiya. British attacked from all directions. Was caught between Maratha and Nizam army. British killed Dondiya at Konagal. Explain the method adopted by Rayana to fight the British. Rayana was a brave soldier. He fought for the independence of Kittur. He fought with Rani Chennamma and was imprisoned. Along with her, he developed a sense of nationalism. He went on organizing secret meetings. He aimed at looting the treasury and taluk offices of British. He became furious with the villagers who were assisting the British. The British devised a cunning strategy to capture Rayana. Rayana was cunningly captured and brought down to Dharwad. He was declared as an offender and was hanged. Explain the contributions of Puttabasappa of Kodagu in the freedom struggle. Puttabasappa presented himself as Swami Aparampara. He organized the rebels and calmed down the people. He declared that tax on tobacco and salt will be withdrawn. The capture of the government office in Bellare. He killed an Amaldar who was known for his brutality. The rebels marched towards Mangalore to capture it. The rebels marched towards Mangalore. They looted the treasury and prison of Bantwal. The British captured them. With the help of people in Kodagu, he was hanged to death. Discuss the Surapura rebellion in brief. The British government was observing the various developments of Surapura. It came to the notice of government that the representatives of Nana Sahib were present in Surapura. This made the British suspicious of King's intentions. The British appointed an officer named Campbell. The officer submitted a report to the resident of Hyderabad. Venkatappa Nayaka is usually presented as the leader. The British army captured Surapura. There is confusion regarding Venkatappa Nayaka's end.